What if I told you that most students lose marks in picture descriptions not because their English is weak, but because they don't know the formula? They see the picture, they understand the picture, but when it comes to writing, they don't know where to start. The good news? There's a simple formula that can help anyone write a perfect picture description. Let's discover it. Imagine you're sitting in an exam. The teacher gives you a picture and says, "Describe what you see." Your eyes see everything at once: people, trees, animals, buildings, colors, actions, and your brain starts asking, "What should I write first?" Most students panic and begin listing random things, but great writers follow a system, and today you'll learn that system. Remember these 4 letters. S. Setting. First, identify the setting. Ask yourself, where is this scene taking place? A school? A park? A village? A playground? Start with a general sentence. Example: the picture shows a busy playground on a bright sunny day. This gives your reader an instant understanding of the scene. A. Action. Next, focus on the main action. What is happening? Who is doing what? Example: several children are playing football while others are talking and laughing together. Pictures become interesting when you describe actions. D. Details. Now look carefully. What smaller details can you notice? Trees, birds, bags, clouds, benches? These details make your writing richer and more complete. Think like a detective. The best details are often the smallest ones. F. Feeling. This is the step most students forget. How does the picture feel? Happy? Peaceful? Exciting? Busy? Example: the atmosphere appears cheerful and energetic, as everyone seems to be enjoying themselves. Adding feelings makes your description sound mature and impressive. Let's imagine a picture of children in a park. Using the formula, setting. The picture shows a beautiful park on a sunny afternoon. Action: several children are playing games while others are riding bicycles. Details: green trees, colorful flowers, and birds can be seen in the background. Feeling: the scene looks lively and joyful, creating a pleasant atmosphere. And just like that, you have a complete picture description. No confusion, no stress. Just a simple formula that works every time. So remember, SADF. Setting, action, details, feeling. The next time you see a picture, don't try to write everything. Follow the formula, because great picture descriptions aren't written by chance. They're written by using the right method. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more English writing tips, grammar tricks, and study hacks. And remember, a picture may be worth 1,000 words, but a good writer knows exactly which words to choose. See you in the next video.